Week 1, third day of the 5 Tibetan Rites Challenge. So I hope you kinda get used to these Tibetan rites. And we're going to repeat again 3 times the 5 exercise. Let's get started. So make sure relax your body, stay in front of the mat, straight up, raise your hands up, fingers together on the side. This is the position, and we are going to turn on the right slowly 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Now you get dizzy. Put your hands on the waist. Take a deep breath in with your nose. Inhale. And exhale with your mouth slowly. Inhale with your nose. And exhale with your mouth. One more inhale. And exhale. Relax. The second Tibetan rite. Lay down flat. Hands beside your body. Take a deep breath in. At the same time, put the chin to the chest and your legs up. Inhale. And exhale down. Inhale. And exhale down. One more. Inhale, chin to the chest. And exhale. I see the shooting. Good. We have guests today. Sorry. Okay. Now you can have a seat. Take a deep breath in with your nose. And exhale with your mouth. Take a deep breath in with your nose. And exhale through the mouth. One more. Inhale with your nose. And exhale with your mouth. The third Tibetan rite. You're on your knees like that, hands beside the thighs. Take a deep breath in, chin to the chest, and slowly bend backward. Come back, exhale, chin to the chest, inhale, slowly bend, and exhale, relax. Inhale, chin to the chest, bend, and exhale, relax. Have a seat. Take a deep breath in with your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. One more inhalation. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now the fourth Tibetan rite. You have a seat like that. Make sure feet are in front of you, shoulder wide apart. Hands beside your body, chin to the chest. Inhale, raise up your torso up. Hold a little bit the muscles and exhale down. Chin to the chest, inhale, raise up your torso, hold and exhale down. One more, chin to the chest, inhale, up, and exhale down. Take a deep breath in, inhale through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, and exhale, relax. One more inhalation, inhale through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Hands, shoulder wide apart. Feet are a little bit further. And your head. Inhale, slowly raise up, chin to the chest, stretch, and come back, exhale. Inhale, raise up, chin to the chest, exhale, down. One more, inhale, raise up, and come back, exhale, relax, stretch the body, take a 3 deep breaths in and out, inhale through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, and exhale. One more. Inhale through your nose. And slowly exhale with your mouth and relax. So, this is the third day of the 5 Tibetan Rites Challenge. I hope you liked today. And we'll see you tomorrow in the morning. Have a great day. Bye now.